Today, we will talk about how to clean a mattress with baking soda. Let's have a look at the details. Baking soda is a simple but versatile cleaning agent that can remove odors on furniture effectively. Sprinkling just a bit of baking soda on your mattress can reduce any smells and keep it clean. Start by stripping the bed and then applying the baking soda. You can then vacuum up the baking soda once it has done its job, so you are left with a clean, fresh-smelling mattress. The first step is preparing the mattress. Remove the bed sheets and wash them in the washing machine. Start by stripping the bed of any sheets, blankets, or duvets. Put the bedding in the washing machine and clean it with detergent in the hottest water setting to kill germs. You should then dry them on the high heat setting to ensure there are no germs or bacteria on them. Vacuum up any dirt, dust, or debris on the surface of the mattress. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum or a powerful handheld vacuum. Make sure the nozzle is clean, as you do not want to transfer any debris onto the mattress. Vacuum the crevices, seams, and folds in the mattress to remove any surface dirt or dust. Make sure you also vacuum the sides of the mattress, as dirt and dust can collect in this area as well. Apply spot cleaner on any stains on the mattress. Apply the spot cleaner to any stains and dab the area with a wet cloth. Most stains should come off with a regular spot cleaner. The second step is applying the baking soda. Sprinkle 1 to 3 cups or 208 to 624 grams of baking soda on the mattress. Cover the entire surface of the mattress with an even layer of baking soda. Put the mattress in direct sunlight. Moving the mattress next to a window that gets direct sunlight is ideal, as the heat from the sun can help the baking soda work more effectively. Let the baking soda sit for 24 hours. Give the baking soda time to settle in and do its job. And the third step is vacuuming up the baking soda. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum. This attachment will be powerful enough to remove the baking soda without damaging the surface of the mattress. Remove the baking soda with the vacuum. Make sure you run the vacuum over the seams and crevices in the mattress to ensure all the baking soda is removed. Flip the mattress over and repeat the process. Clean the bed with baking soda 1 to 2 times a year. Get in the habit of cleaning your bed with baking soda, so it stays fresh and odor-free. Do a clean with baking soda at the beginning and end of the year, so dirt and dust do not build up on the surface of your bed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.